Hello guys! Good morning! Good morning! So today, gagawa tayo ng spring roll kasi spring roll is super favorite siya ni Alex and favorite siya ni Casey. So our ingredients is here. Ground turkey, carrots, green onions, garlic. This is the very important thing we needed. Spring roll wrapper, and of course we're gonna use salt and pepper, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. So let's start making it. I have this very small. I'm going to use this, that way ang ating carrots and then garlic is very fine kasi ayaw ko siyang masira ang ating wrapper. Where's my knife? And then we're gonna put it here sa ating magic thing. Maybe I'm going to use 4 cloves of garlic. Wala si Alex, umalis siya, kasama niya si Casey. Nag-ano sila, bike. Ako hindi na ako sumama kasi nga I have so many things to do, so I can't come with them. Kailangan talagang maghanap. Cut it. Very easy man ang gawin ang lumpia. So today pala gagawin ko is yung healthier version. Pag nagluluto talaga ako ng lumpia, hindi ko talaga siya i-pina-fry sa maraming oil. So you will see how I do it later. I have this thing. I cannot do it. Wait. It doesn't fit there. I have to take it out first. We'll just do this. Okay. So now, meron na tayo dito ang sahog na gulay. Spring onion. Hindi sharp yung knife ko. Inis. So, okay na yung ating ingredients. Nakat na natin. Now, we're gonna put the ground turkey. So, ito na yung ating turkey. And now, ilalagay na natin tong vegetables. Parang ang dami. I don't wanna put too much, maybe just a little. That's good enough. Going to put pepper, salt, garlic powder, and we're gonna use soy sauce. Just mix all of it together. Then we're gonna add the 1 egg. Oh my gosh, it's not easy. Like I have to do like this so you can see. Wait, do like this. Just crack it in here. Oh my gosh, nag-crack siya ng so bad. Like yung shell, napunta na dun sa meat. Oh my god. Dami. Kakaloka. Tapos, mix-mix lang din natin siya. So, this is what it look like after natin siyang mix. Everything in there. OMG, it smells so good. Kasi yung garlic, mabango yung garlic. So, we're gonna just marinate this until 3 hours ko siyang i-marinate and then i-wrap ko na siya. Lagay ko lang siya sa fridge. This is what it look like ng fillings like this. It's ready to wrap na. Pwede mo naman siyang lutuin na right away, but gusto ko siyang i-marinate. And tsaka yung wrapper ko kasi is frozen pa naman. So mamaya na lang. And ipapatry ko siya kay Alex. Natikman niya na to before, but I'm gonna let him try it again. There you go. We'll just put this in the fridge and then we're gonna wrap it later. I will teach you how to wrap it. Ready na ako magbalot ngayon. Dito na yung ating wrap. Separate ko muna. Tapos, meron ako dito na cornstarch. Ito na yung ating ground turkey. Oh. I need gloves. Actually, I forget. Ito yung hard part, yung mag-wrap.
Do you have any?
Tingnan natin. Hindi ako satisfied sa wrapping ko. Hindi siya tama. Tingnan niyo. Palagi ko kasing nakakalimutan. Dati nag-wrap na ako, okay siya. Pero, okay. Kasi kasama ko yung friend ko, nag-wrapping kami, and tinuruan niya ako. Then, nakalimutan ko na naman. So, dito siya dapat sa last.
The board need power.
Wrap. Rachel.
Right, and what should I do? Should I call back, or you want me to give you?
Guys, hindi ko alam kung ano mag-wrap. They need insurance? Shucks. Sorry, hindi ako marunong mag-wrap.
What if I don't have insurance?
But, basta i-wrap ko na lang siya. Over. Dito ako magluluto sa laundry kasi doon sa loob is iinit sa loob. So, dito ko siya iluluto. So, tingnan nyo naman ang nangyari. Ito yung na-practice ko. Tingnan nyo. Hindi siya okay. But, I mean, mayroon siyang some na okay. Ganito. Okay siya. And mayroon na ilang peraso na hindi siya okay. Kasi nga, ni-practice ko kay I forgot how to wrap spring roll. Matagal na kasi akong gumawa nito. And then, ito na yung nagustuhan ko pag wrap. Parang straight lang siya. So, mas gusto ko to. And now, spray ko lang siya nitong oil. Messy na Rachel. Ayan na siya. It's cooking. Luto na siya. I think I failed. Hindi siya tama. Mukha siyang weird. So, ito yung air fried. Ang pangit niya. Hindi kasi siya okay yung wrapping. Pangit ng wrapping ko. Tapos nagsabog siya. Oh my God. Pero, titikman ko siya yung lasa. Kung okay. Tsaka may black. Siguro dahil sa soy sauce. I-try ko yung air fried. Ito yung air fry. Crunchy naman siya. Masarap naman siya. Hindi nga lang siya maganda yung pagka-wrap. Pero masarap siya. I-try ko tong deep fry. Actually, hindi naman siya deep fried. Konti lang yung oil na nilagay ko. The taste.
I thought that was pretty good, the air fried one.
The air fried one is good?
I liked it.
Mas gusto ni Alex yung air fried.
I didn't try that one.
Oh, try this
You
one.
told me not to. You wouldn't allow me to try it.
Try it, just a little.
You wouldn't allow it.
Try a little bit. See which one is better. Tapos na kaming kumain. Oh my gosh. Okay naman siya. Yung ating lumpia is okay naman. Hindi lang ako na-satisfied kung paano ko siya ni-wrap. Mas gusto kong ipakain kay Alex yung air fried compare dun sa deep fry kasi ayaw ko siya nang kumain ng maraming oil. So, ito yung leftover. Ito yung deep fry. Hindi rin ako masyadong kumain. Kasi nga, marami siyang oil. Pero yung oil na ginamit ko is avocado oil. But, very high sa calories. Ayoko siya. Maybe, itatapon ko na lang siya. Sayang. Gusto ko, ipinry ko siya kasi gusto kong makita yung difference lang. Pero, I think, okay yung lumpia pag ni-air fry. Pero pag ni-deep fried ko siya, hindi siya okay. Pero yung lasa, mas gusto ko deep fried. Pero, very unhealthy naman siya. Oy.